So here's how to add WhatsApp chat onto your Shopify store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. After that, here in a new tab, you have to simply search for the elfsite.com website. This website is 100% free and gives you the options to create widgets. Here you can design widgets for your websites by simple operations. To create a new widget, you have to click on the Catalog Home option at the left menu. After that, at this page, you have to simply search for the WhatsApp chat. As you can see, it's already available. Now I'm gonna click on it. Then at this page, you have to first select the template. After selecting your template, click on the continue with this template option at the bottom. Here I'm gonna select the sport template. Then here you have to enter your WhatsApp business number. Here it will give you the option to customize chat bubble, chat header, welcome message and start chat button. To customize these, you have to simply click on each of these options. Once you have made all the required changes, now click on the publish option at the top of the page. After publishing your widget, here you have to first select your plan. Here I'm gonna select the light plan. This plan is totally free to use. After that, at this page, click on the install option. Then here you have to simply copy the code. And after copying your code, you have to simply go back to your Shopify store. Once you are here, now here you have to simply go to the custom liquid option and then here you have to paste your URL. After pasting your URL, you will be successfully able to add your WhatsApp chat on your store. So that's how to add WhatsApp chat onto your Shopify store.